Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to go over the price action that took place on Tuesday, this past Tuesday. We were live within the market, and I wanted to show you guys how it is when you don't come across a winner, or maybe when you come across a couple of losers, right? This is all a part of the strategy. This is all a part of investing and trading. You're not going to win every single trade. But I'm going to show you guys how I was able to manage these trades and how I was able to manage my emotions and simply just move on to the next trade. So we had two trading opportunities. We had trading opportunity during the AM session and a trading opportunity during the PM session. The AM session trade hit our stop loss, which I'm going to show you guys in just a second. And then the PM session came very close to hitting our target and then just completely reversed on us based on price action, right? We did have a higher time frame setup, however. So for those students who wanted to get into the sells that took place within the index market, you guys definitely were able to, and I will go over that as well. So without further ado, let's get into the quick intro and then let's get right into the video where I'm going to show you guys how to properly manage a losing day. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you guys can see, yesterday was Tuesday. Right now it is currently around 8:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm about to get ready to live trade one-on-one with a couple of students. So I'm going to get prepared for that around 9:30. But before we hop into that, I wanted to make a quick video on yesterday's price action to give you guys somewhat of an update. So as you guys can see here, all right, this was the PM session here. However, we were looking for, or I was looking for sells, I should say. All right. Now during the AM session, we can see if price loads up. There we go. As during the AM session, we can see that we did have this buy side sweep of liquidity here. Then price moved to the downside. We were looking for sells right here within this area. But one thing we did miss was this buy side sweep of liquidity that took place right here within the market, giving us possible buy opportunities. Now, based on the higher time frame, we are bearish. Okay, so because of that, because of the higher time frame, I am more so looking for sells than buy positions. And as you guys can see, even if we would have taken a buy, let's say we would have found some type of entry within this region here, right? As we can see, price doesn't really run much, right? And we end up running into our higher time frame M30 setup that I gave all mentorship students. Let me pull that up for you guys. So if we're looking at this higher time frame M30 setup, right, we can see it's right here within this area. A little bit of inducement was dropped within this region, and then price pushes to the upside, sweeps that area, and we had beautiful sell continuations. Now, as you guys can see, I also took sells during the PM session, and it almost hit my target. Sometimes you will deal with trades that come very close to hitting your target, and then they will reverse. And what you guys must simply do in this case is stay the course, right? Continue applying the information, take the next trade opportunity, right? Sometimes what I'll do is if I do have a losing day or a losing streak, sometimes I'll just simply walk away from the charts and I won't look at the charts again until it's time for me to take a trade the next following day. So for example, after we took this loss here, I simply just didn't look at the charts. All of this information here doesn't matter. All of this information here doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is between 9:30 and 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? And that is when we will come back to the charts and reconvene, right? So as you guys can see, beautiful M30 setup here. Price pushes to the downside, takes out this weak low, which is here. Okay, absolutely beautiful. But if we go back to the M15, I want to show you guys how close we came to hitting our target before price reversed on us. All right, so if we're looking at the M15 chart, all right, we can see that this was my entry here. I'm going to break down my entry on the lower time frame in just a second. This was my entry here, right? And my target was simply just the swing low on the M15. Now, you guys may be wondering, why didn't I go for this swing low here? It is a 2.09% return on investment. The reason why I didn't go for this one is because it's so close to 2R, and I wanted just a little bit more. So I decided to go for this swing low right below the next one. And as you guys can see, I got stopped out, missed out on 2.44% return on investment, and instead walked away with a -1%. Okay, so -2% on yesterday, which it happens. right? It definitely happens, and it is all a part of trading. But today, Wednesday morning, our trade for today should make up for both of our losses from yesterday. That's just how the strategy plays out, right? So we can see if you're following course specific rules, the target for this trade should have been this swing low here, as well as understanding that this swing low still provides you with 2R. In this case, this was an example of me getting a little ahead of myself and getting a little greedy. We've seen this move play out so many times. Instead of following my specific rules, I decided to stretch it just a little bit in the chance that price may hit that target. So if we go to the M5 time frame, I want to show you guys just how close we got to this target, as well as show you guys the entire breakdown of the entry.
What's going on, traders? This is your chance to unlock endless possibilities with our unbeatable trading program. Priced at only $53, this deal is just too good to pass up. Come get access to a wide range of features and benefits that will take your trading to the next level. Whether you're looking to improve your profitability, streamline your income, or simply invest your own money, our unbeatable trading program has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up today.
All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick commercial. Now let's get into the breakdown of this entry right here. So if we're looking at this region here, all right, we can see that this is our buy side sweep of liquidity based on the M15. We also have our M30 set up here. So price sweeps that M15 liquidity. We tap into our M30 setup, okay? Remember, all of this is broken down within the course. The setup, confluences, what you should be looking for, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and how to continue taking advantage of the index market. Just keep in mind that losses are all a part of the job, okay? As a trader, whenever you incur losses, they're simply just business expenses, as long as you go back to your loss and you figured out what you did wrong. If you can figure out what you did wrong, then you're good to go moving forward. All right, make sure you guys are also journaling all your trades. I get so many questions within my DMs. Mac, how can I improve my trading? I can't afford your course yet. I can't afford your mentorship program. What should I do? Well, guys, in that case, what you should do is make sure that you're journaling all of your trades so you can figure out a common mistake that you are constantly making within the market. For example, with this trade right here, what mistake did I make within the market? I did not follow my target rules. Okay, instead of following my target rules, which is the next swing low or swing high, depending on if you're buying or selling, in this case, I tried to go for a little bit more of an extended target, and we can see that it doesn't always work out if you don't follow the rules properly. So right here within this area, we can see that after we swept liquidity and tapped into that higher time frame point of interest, okay, price pushes to the downside, we take out this swing low. That is a shift in our market structure, okay? It's not a complete full break of structure, it's just simply a shift internally, showing us that price may want to continue to push to the downside. Whether that's for a short period of time, a long period of time, it really doesn't matter. It's just giving us an indication that price may want to change sides, from the buy side to the sell side or from the sell side to the buy side, right? So once we take out this swing low here, we also leave a good amount of imbalance right here within this area, which is absolutely beautiful. Those of you that follow my order block rules, I have specific order block rules within the course that will differentiate which order block you should be using, because it isn't always the last opposite candle before the momentum or the run. All right, and that's something that you guys need to keep in mind for sure. It will definitely assist your trading. So using my order block rules, okay, this candle right here was the order block that I used. We see that we have imbalance or inefficient pricing that was offered here. Price returns back into that inefficient pricing. Sorry guys, that was my alarm going off. Anyway, so price returns back into that inefficient pricing that was offered. My entry was taken at this bearish order block here. Okay, stop loss right above this swing high. First target should have been here. Okay, for about 2.09%. This is the M15 swing low that I did not target. Instead, what I looked to target was this swing low here based on the M15. And we can see the price comes very close to tagging us. So price missed our target by 0.45 handles, which is very close to hitting our target. We can see that once we hit our stop loss, price just melted to the downside, and then we ended up hitting our target, which was right here within this region, right? Now, there was an entry opportunity within this area, okay, based on the lower time frame if you go to the M2. However, the reason why we did not take advantage of this trade here is because it's simply outside of our trading hours. So as you guys can see, for the past couple of days, on Monday we had an opportunity that was with that was outside of our trading hours. And as you guys can see today, we also have an opportunity that is outside of our trading hours. Remember guys, it's all about being disciplined and sticking to your rules, okay? You have rules, you have a trading plan, you have risk management for a reason, but make sure you're sticking to it if you would like to see your results end up on top at the end of your series of trades. With that being said, I hope you guys have been thoroughly enjoying the course, right? Those of you guys who have been gaining access and who have access to the course, I've gotten so much feedback. I'm glad you guys love it. What we're gonna do in this video, since the last video, we released a coupon code that gave you $120 off of the course. We're going to do that again for this video, right? Haven't quite produced major results within the market yet, but I'm guaranteeing that we will today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and give away $120. All you have to do, click on the Telegram bot in the description, okay? Then I want you to contact my team and say, hey, I am here for the $120 off of the course. And what they're going to do is they're going to provide you a scholarship. That scholarship is coming directly out of my trading profits, okay? And we're going to do this for 2 people, all right? If you're worried about, like if you watch this video late and you're worried about the scholarship being over, feel free to contact my team anyway, because sometimes they will do giveaways without me even knowing, and then they'll tell me afterwards. But as long as it's able to help you all out as traders, then I'm completely okay with it, right? So go in the description, click that link, let my team know within the Telegram bot that you would like $120 off of the course, and they will provide you with just that. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm about to get ready to trade New York live with some students, and I hope you guys have a successful day. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.